The guy was like, dude, wait a minute. I don't want to offend you. I'm just asking your number because you said to him. Told the guy, why do you want to date me?
So this is a Filipino dessert, right? So we managed to fit this box in the car. So this tastes a lot sweeter than, like a different kind of sweet.
And different kind of texture, right?
Different, yeah. Because the other ones is just like coconut milk or something like that.
This is called suman cassava. It's made of cassava roots.
So is this healthy?
No.
Fuck.
Nothing.
I was going on a healthy diet.
But those doesn't have preservatives, so that's better than the cake or anything like that. Isn't it turon? Which is basically made of jackfruit, banana, and wrapper.
What wrapper?
This.
The flakes? The bakery?
Mm-hmm.
Let me try it.
Dude!
Not bad. It's like a
Really?
a deep fried banana
Yeah.
wrapped in some pastry.
It's not. It's just a regular wrapper.
That's a pretty good dessert.
And it's healthier than cake or whatever.
It arrived. It arrived. Okay, anyway. Gonna do it now? Alright. So here's the package. You wanna open it?
Drop it. White box inside the brown.
Looks good so far.
It's from Back Market.
Yeah.
You can also return
Hopefully.
it if you don't like it.
Hopefully we don't need to do that. So we'll put it up.
Alright. This is i5-13 and it's an MacBook Air. Super. And it's very light. Let's see. Does it work?
Mm-hmm.
It shows you. Yay!
Yeah, it's actually a Mac Air.
And
Comes with a power cord.
let's see if it works. Let's try it now. Oh, this screen looks like it's not. This looks pretty quick for. Alright, let's see.
Other side.
It's charged. Should we keep it charging for a little bit?
Yeah. I'm sure there's some scratches on it.
Not really. These are just good.
Still brand new MacBook Air.
I'm gonna turn it on now.
Go ahead. Let's see if it blows up. Did you press a button?
Yeah. I didn't try mine.
Give me it.
Oh, it's
It looks lit up.
Yeah.
I'm giving them that.
Maybe it's not fully charged.
There we go.
Wonder how much, did it say how much battery, how many hours?
You'll find that out. Probably 4 hours.
Should be 7. I guess you can just keep it charging. Oh, and I found that HDMI output input for that one.
Oh, it's a brand new setup.
English.
You don't want Tagalog?
Nah, doesn't have a Tagalog version. Wait, what is my username? I think I'm gonna make a new username and password. It's so slow. Okay, United States. Continue. Oh, I'll try it. I think it's late 22, right? 22 late or it's late 22? Let's try again. 22. Can you?
What are you doing now? I was worried it wasn't going to be what you want to eat.
Is it working or what?
Just gotta wait 40. Definitely on a higher version than my
Would be faster. I just do this. I don't know. Plus, gonna use one of those hard drive that we have at home to put all my videos.
yeah, you don't feel store everything.
There isn't really any space in it to save anything. How much storage you have in the other computer on the Mac?
Which computer?
The one that we're using to edit videos now.
100 gigs.
That's it?
Pretty much.
I'll just sit here for now. I was gonna do it myself, but everything is full.
then you're out of luck.
What is we think of this?
Oh, $1.99.
What? Where?
Market.
Back market.
Back market.